Emphasizing the role of sports in combating drug addiction and building a healthier generation, Tipra Motha founder and TTAADC Advisory and Administrative Reforms Committee Chief Pradyot Kishore Debbarma said that systematic development of sports infrastructure in tribal areas can help channelise the energy of indigenous youth and nurture professional sportspersons. Debbarma made the remarks after laying the foundation stone at the Maharaja Bikram Sports School and inaugurating the Maharaja Kishore Manikya Stadium at Baijalbari in Kowai district. The initiatives, he said, are part of the Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council's broader vision to promote fitness, mental well-being and discipline among tribal youth while steering them away from the growing menace of drugs. Stressing the need for quality management, he said the proposed sports school funded by the state government should be run by professional coaches and administrators to ensure meaningful outcomes and to create future professional players. Debbarma also highlighted that the Maharaja Kishore Manikya Stadium has been developed as a full-size AstroTurf football ground at a cost of around rupees 4.5 crore. The stadium will soon be equipped with floodlight facilities, enabling night matches and extended training hours for players.
We want the youngsters to be diverted from the menace of drugs
and focus on fitness, sports, and that's, I think, the best way to channelize the energy. So it is very important that we incentivize sports, and that's why there is a lot of emphasis, which I am personally putting in the field of sports, so that we can counter the menace of drugs. Because these drugs are spoiling our next generation and we don't want that to happen. And we should encourage sports, especially in the indigenous areas, because we are naturally talented, whether it is football, whether it is gymnastics, whether it is any other sport, reflex sports, basketball, volleyball, even cricket. If you see, we are performing very well, but we need to be given this training from the early stage. That's why this sport.
Well, to mark the occasion, Debbarma inaugurated a football match by kicking off the ball at the newly opened stadium. The program was attended by TTAADC executive members Runiel Debbarma and Suhail Debbarma, local MLA Ranjit Debbarma, and other senior officials and dignitaries. The event underlined the TTAADC administration's commitment to using sports as a powerful tool for social transformation and youth empowerment, and for the creation of a strong pipeline of professional athletes from tribal areas.